The following 4.5-second clip was recorded at 96,000 Hz. There doesn't appear to be anything other than noise, however, with some high and low pass filters. Lowering the speed and the pitch of the clip makes the chirping take on much more character. I shall double the clip's playtime again for yet more character still. One final speed reduction and more intricate patterns emerge. The first sample was only 4.5 seconds of noise, though the last sample was over 1.5 minutes of intricate bird chirping. This is just an example of what sounds are hiding in the otherwise noisy soundscape of the average front yard, if you know where to listen. Thank you. It was fun making this clip.